everybody, it's Pam again here, and V is behind the camera today.
Hey guys.
And we are the Kindred Vegans, and we are in the Kindred kitchen.
Like what you got going on there? Yeah, I love it. What you got going on?
Okay, so today we're just going to make a basic peanut dressing. And I use this on salads. I love this when I make summer rolls, to dip my summer rolls in. If I do a stir fry, you know, throw some vegetables together, this is great on top, just as a little bit of a dressing. So we're gonna make it today, and it's a good staple to have in your refrigerator. So what I have here is about a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Let me get everything out here. And then I have about an inch and a half of fresh ginger, and I have just cut it up. Because we're going to put this in the bullet blender. You really don't need to grate it up or anything like that. I have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Let me get all of that in. Don't want to leave anything out. And then in here, I've got 2 tablespoons of tamari and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And you can use any vinegar with this. And if you don't have tamari, you can use soy sauce. That'll work too. Bragg's, I think, has amino acids that taste similar to a soy sauce. So that'll all work. Now I put ginger in mine. V said she doesn't put ginger in hers, but she puts garlic in hers. Yeah. And you can do both. You could do ginger and garlic. Yeah. So you can make this however you want. What I'm going to add is a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm going to add just, I don't know, maybe a 1/2 to 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You don't need much salt because you do have the tamari in here. Yeah, that's right. Which has
like a salty flavor to it.
And then I'm just going to add maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper to it. And I'm going to add a little bit of water, and what I do is I blend it up, and then if I find that the peanuts have soaked up a lot of the water, I will go ahead and add some more water, depending on how thick I want it. So let's go ahead and get this blended, and we'll take a look. All right. Okay, let's take a look. If I can get this off now.
You always have a hard time with that.
I think it's the size of the base. You know, it's like, just fits my hand. So sometimes it's harder. And that looks good. And I will tell you one little thing now. If you let this sit, because of the peanut butter in here, the nuts will soak up the water. If you let this sit, it will get thicker. So if you put this in your refrigerator, remember that when you take it out.
Dump the water out. It'll mix it up.
So I'm going to put it in here so you can see what it looks like.
It smells good.
Yeah. And it's just, it's a nice dressing. And I know you see this on our Instagram account all the time. Because whenever I have the tofu salad, you know, I put greens and carrots and cucumber, whatever, and then I usually air fry some tofu, and then I will use my peanut dressing, put a few peanuts on top and some sesame seeds on top, and it's delicious. So my son and I like this. So I have this in my refrigerator almost all the time. Like I said, you could do this different. He said she also puts some sriracha in hers.
Yeah, I put sriracha, I put garlic.
Cayenne in it too, to give it a little bit of a heat. Yeah. You know? And my husband would probably like that, but he's usually not home when my son and I are making salads, you know, he's not home. But we love this, and it's a great dressing. So I hope you all enjoy. Check us out on Instagram so you can see how we use this dressing. We are K-Vegans on Instagram. We're Kindred Vegans on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. We'd love to hear your tips and tricks, you know, because we're all trying to do this together. So become a Kindred Vegan and join us. And I hope you all have a happy holiday. This is probably getting toward the end of our Christmas season. Christmas is on Wednesday. So our 25 days of Christmas is coming to an end. So I hope you all have a happy holiday with your family. Bye now.